So hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm showing you the new recipe of coconut sesame bar. So for that I have taken 200 grams of glucose biscuits, and then I need 200 grams of coconut powder. It's a dry descended coconut powder. Then I need 100 grams of melted unsalted butter. Then I will be needing 30 grams of roasted sesame seeds and 1 can of condensed milk. So we will start our procedure for making a sesame coconut bar. So guys, we will start our procedure for making a sesame coconut bar. For that I have to grind these cookies into our mixer grinder, and we will make a powder form, so that when we will mix it with coconut, it will bind easily. So guys, now I have already grinded my cookies into a mixer grinder. So I will keep it out in a bowl, and then we add all of our ingredients into it. So as you can see that I have already churned all of this cookies into a crumb, and now we will add our first coconut powder into it. We will mix it first well, so that the coconut and cookies crumb will get mixed. It's a very easy recipe, whenever you are getting free time at home, your kids wants to have something sweets, and whenever there is a relatives, they came at your home, so you can make this kind of bar at home. So it's a very delicious and very gooey recipe. So now I will add my 100 grams of butter into it, which I already melted in a microwave. So we will add this into the mixture. Then we will add our sesame seed, just a half cup. Later we will garnish this one on the top. So we will sprinkle half of this into our mixture. Then at last we will add our condensed milk into this mixture. So guys, I have already put all of our ingredients into it. Now I will just slowly combine all of the ingredients together. We have to make a thick paste of it. So guys, as you can see that I've already mixed my ingredients all together, so it became a thick gooey paste. So we will place this one into a tray. Now as you can see that I've already mixed my ingredients, and now this has become a sticky gooey consistency. We'll put this in a one aluminium tray already covered with aluminium foil, and then we will press it nicely over it. We have to press it gently from each corner, because we do not want that our bar will be get thick from one side and will be thin from the other side. So we have to press it nicely so that it will be evenly from each and every side. So guys, as you can see that I have already flattened my cookie bar mixture. Now I will add sesame seed, which I've already kept remain, into it, and we will sprinkle it all over the mixture. We will add our remaining coconut powder into it. As I have told you that I have already added the sesame seed and coconut powder into our mixture. Now we will keep it in a refrigerator for about 15 to 20 minutes till it will turn hard, and then we will cut it into the shapes of a square or rectangle, and we will serve it chilled.